Hi guys, a very good morning and welcome to my channel. I'm just eating an avla. It is Saturday and I've just used this lipstick. It's damn cute, glam rose. I don't know what is the color, what is the shade. This is the shade I'm using at the moment and it's looking quite nice. It is maroonish, brownish something. I'm just thinking that when I was making so many videos back to back and I was at home, I could have done so much of styling, right? That's the time when I really needed so much of makeup because I had all the time in the world. I've seen women are not relaxed. They just want to do mindless activities since morning, speak mindlessly, and then they are exhausted, then they are irritated, then they are frustrated because nobody is listening to them. Then they wake up, they want to go and collect flowers mindlessly, yeah. And then put it late in front of an idol or a photo. अरे take two flowers and keep ना पूरे पूरे इसको सजाने का है just because it is free. You will remove and throw it ना. The birds and the bees or the butterflies can make use of it. तुम्हारे मूर्तियों को और फोटोग्राफ्स को पड़ी हुई है फ्लावर्स की अपनी श्रद्धा और भक्ति होंगे ना दो भी रखेंगे तो काफ़ी है दो फ्लावर्स. Look at my this look is very chic. I've lost so much of weight. I can't believe this. Yesterday I was full day fasting. Ever since my avla and my lemon has come back in my life, there's flavor. Whole day fasting yesterday. I didn't even go out in the evening. Very hot and humid. It's raining. It rained in the night, but it's very hot and humid in the daytime. Ever since I started having milk tea outside, I'm getting phlegm sometimes. Yeah, I do get. Mucus when I should not get it with my herbal tea. There's a lot of difference when you're having natural stuff such as sugar, sugary things, carbohydrate. And that's the reason why I take a lot of breaks in between. My ring. Let me tell you, my subscriber was 957. Then it became whatever it came into 80s. Now it is like 841. How can it be reversed so much? How can I lose 125 subscribers in 2 days time? And I can gain them in 2 days time 100 and then lose 125 in 2 days time. Is that possible? And not only that, a lot of people from all over the world are also logged in at the same time. How stupid. YouTube is doing it purposely so that they don't have to take any responsibility of paying me or something. They're behaving very cheap. Phones are also giving me problems. The secret to my beauty is blood circulation actually. I wake up and walk 1 kilometer to the church. I walk very briskly and I drink 2 glasses of water, and of course, lime is there. So, that is the secret of my beauty. It is nothing, no cosmetics, no special food, nothing. It is basically this all, and then I relax myself also. Like yesterday evening I could have gone, but I didn't go out anywhere. I have to get my phone repaired. That's it. I don't know what to add. I want to request women, stop being like a fool. Stop running pillar to the post, seeking validation, seeking, ऐसा लगता है उनको हमेशा आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस होता है कि एवरी टाइम दे हैव टू लुक गुड, every time they have to be miss perfect, every time they have to show they are productive, every time they have to show loving and caring. Maybe sometimes you don't feel like being loving and caring, it's fine, I guess. Stop hovering over your children once they have grown up and they are married and all that. Just stop hovering. You as your mother has done your duty, and of course that bond is there, but stop chasing them because they have a life of their own. The more you understand, faster you understand, the better. Your value definitely will go down several notches because they have other things in their lives. They have women, they have other women, their daughters, or maybe their wives, their daughters, their jobs, their sons, their hobbies, which job, as I said, that all takes importance eventually. Some people are so much into money making and self promotion that they don't have time for anything but themselves. Nowadays time is just passing very swiftly. Monsoon, you should drink water sparing very thoughtfully because our body absorbs whatever liquids are there in our body, right? That's it. See the scenes. Hardly anybody in Nana Nani Park, so it's very pleasant and nice. कोई यहाँ नाचे नाचे, कोई वहाँ नाचे नाचे, अम्मा अम्मा, तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार, अम्मा अम्मा, मानो ना मेरे यार. Okay guys, have a lovely day. From 9:57 I'm 8:42 or 41. Ha 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 ha. I'm this close to being 1000 subscribers, and this is what YouTube does to me. Minusing 100 subscribers. That's what I said. Minusing 100 subscribers, 120 subscribers is not a joke. Anyway, let's not get into it.